All right, as you know, I do mostly Disney videos, but I do love tech. And I got a new Samsung S25. There's a little Disney on there for you, but mostly Disney, right? And I really do like doing tech videos, but lasering in the channel to one thing. So I got this new case from Mr. Who's the Boss. I'll put a little picture of him up here. I like him a lot. I like what he does. I like the way he does things. And he recommended this Torras case, which is cool. It has a little ring on the back, so you can stand it up. It flips around. You can do it sideways. I mean, it's really cool. And it wasn't terribly expensive. I'll put the price down here. I always forget because not much of a planner on how much it was. I used to buy a company called Spiegel, I think, the cheapest thing I could find because, they all seemed about the same to me. This has actually pretty cool, these little, I don't know if you can really see, and I may not, show those, these little air pockets in there. But what it did come with is this fantastic, I bought it separately, this fantastic screen protector, because my last phone that I'm trading in for broke, and I haven't broken the glass on a phone in a long time. So I thought, just for fun, what I would do is I would film myself putting this screen protector on to see how easy it is. So I've watched a video, I've seen how it's supposed to work, and now you guys get to enjoy this and see if I screw it up or not. So let's have some fun with, I totally forgot what I was gonna say, with the Torras screen protector. All right, I think I've got my hands in there correctly. This is the cool case. This is the applicator, and it looks like top is up there, so we're gonna set that aside. The first thing it came with was a little kit for cleaning. Comes with a cleaning cloth, a wet wipe, and I think a sticker. So the key to getting this done right and making it look awesome is obviously getting the air out and making sure it's super, super clean. So first step is to clean it with the wet wipe, like your grandma used to wipe or at least my face, like after we'd go out to dinner, she would always have one of these in her purse. Keep the face clean, looking good. We're gonna do the same for the phone. No, I'm actually gonna turn it off. It's a little iPhone-y. Gotta put my biometrics in to turn it off. Just figure with it off, it'll be easier to see. See, I've already got dog hair on there. So I'm wiping it with the wet wipe here. I'm using this light over here to kind of see. See, I got a little thumbprint down in the corner. That's the problem. All right, then you've got a nice drying cloth. The cool thing about this is, and again, I'll put the price in here right now, but this had, it came with two. So if I screw it up or, just need to install another one, I can, which is, nice little touch. All right, let's see how that looks. Looks pretty good, but there's definitely some hairs on there. So the last part, and just because I got dog hair and dust and, this got this little sticker. So I'm gonna take that on there, kind of, because I want this to look right. And I'm putting it in this pink line. I don't see anything on there. I don't see any smudges, no fingerprints. Everything looks good. All right, so I've got the top of the phone over here, top of the phone here, top there. And that just fits down over it, I hope. I'm afraid to pull on this. I don't know what this is. But something's oh no, it's just me, as usual. All right, and then you just pull this, it said. Look at that magic happening. Can you guys see that? I mean, that's popping right down. And then hopefully it dropped right in there. So I don't know if you need to, but I'm giving it a little squeeze so it adheres. And then hopefully it adheres right on. It popped up a little bit in that corner. This maybe. So I definitely got some bubbles in there. See, I'm not a professional, but it is centered on there nicely. No, I don't want it to turn on. All right, I'm having a little trouble. That's why doing this live was so important. But I don't want it to I'm not getting the screen protector to come off of this. It says just one pull. It does come with a scraper, so let's see. Maybe I should have done this first, because I've got a lot of little bubbles in here. I've never been good at this, which is why I thought a video might help somebody else. All the videos I watched, everybody was so smooth, man. One shot and they had it done. Not me. And what I don't see, I know there's a cutout for the camera, but I don't see it. All right, this is kind of a hassle because there's a lot of little bulbs. But I usually don't put these things on my phone, and Samsung used to come with one, which I always thought was really nice. It can't cost that much, and it was so nice to not have to do this. I guess see, it's not adhering, or is it? That feels pretty sticky. Holy cow, maybe it's actually on there. Yeah. Son of a gun, that thing's on there. I thought it was gone. I'm sitting here trying to get rid of it. Oh, I don't want to show you my passcode. I don't know why you'd have my phone, but look at that. Now I can tell, I can feel it on there now, but that's pretty responsive. I mean, that flips in and out pretty good, and it feels nice. And you know, keep those scratches, because trading my phone in, you know, wow, I did not think that was on there. That's so crazy. I thought there was a cutout for the camera. So there you go. I mean, that was it. I mean, I can't believe how easy that was. I guess you save this and it comes another one. You'll put back in there and do it again if you need to. That's the easiest application I've ever put on there before. So if you are looking for a screen protector, they make them for Apple. I know all you Apple folks, I'm still Samsung, but wow, I'm just really impressed with how great that was. So there you go. So far, 5-star review. Really love the case. The case is absolutely spectacular. Really enjoying that. You can see how well, I mean, you put that down, got a nice stand, do it sideways that way. I mean, that's pretty cool. And it's really secure. I mean, that looks great, right? I mean, that holds up really well. And I guess you could use it like one of those grippy things, but I don't know that I'll care about that. And it also will attach for magnetic charging on there. Look, now it's charging on the Falcon. So there you go. And now I'll actually wait like a day before I post this to see how the screen protector works. So, all right. So it's been about 2 weeks. I've been busy, but this is still holding up great. I love the case. Put a little, you can see, but mostly Disney in the circle. Yeah, this is worth $60. Again, I typically have not done that. When Samsung put the screen protector on there, I did like it. I did it when I first got phones. But I really haven't had any trouble, except for this last one. You know, just happened to fall just right with a cheaper case and cracked the screen. So it, you know, cut my trade-in value way down. So for $60, as opposed to maybe paying, you know, $18 a month or whatever, what we're T-Mobile charges for the protection, I think this is worth it. It's still beautiful. I've got an extra one. I can't say enough nice things about Torras. I hope that's pronounced right. And thanks to Mr. Who's the Boss for recommending it. So that's it. Hopefully it's pretty short. Again, I realize it's not exactly what I do, but I just wanted to pop it in there and hope it doesn't mess up the algorithm. If you're interested in what else I do, we've got a podcast. We do it live on Tuesday-ish nights at 7:30, mostly Disney, hence the name. You know, that way I can stay on brand doing some different stuff here and there. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments if you've bought this case and if you like it. Please like, subscribe, share, social media, join us for the chat, whatever you want to do. But thanks. Have a really great day. I'm just staring now. You can do whatever you want. Thanks.